Hey guys, so the other day, my dad's laptop fell out of his truck, and this is what it looked like afterwards. This is dad's old computer. This part, it's pretty busted. I'm going to try to resurrect his PC with Legos. I'm just gonna construct a miniature desktop around his laptop parts. Should be fun. Let's see what happens. Let's find out if she boots. So I guess first things first. Let's open the Legos, dude. Guess where I got these Legos from? Best Buy. Yeah, it's weird, right? They sell Legos at Best Buy. Let's see. Is it tape? Oh, duh. Alright. Got the Legos, and then these are the laptop parts. I hope it works. We'll find out, I guess, right? Got your orange and yellows. Got your browns and your reds and your beiges, I guess. Got the greens. Got your blacks, your pinks and purples and your whites, and then your blues. Got my base plates, and then I got my different piles of Legos. I got some extra Legos there. Don't really want to use those. Those have a little bit of sentimental value, so I'm gonna try my best to just use what I have. Or use what I have, but let's do it. So far, that's what it's looking like. So I'm gonna have the USB ports, HDMI. I don't think the Ethernet port is gonna work because it's missing that plastic piece from the laptop, but it's fine. It'll have Wi-Fi. Then I'm gonna have another USB port, SD card reader, then the headphone jack, and then there's the power button, and then I think those are like the volume buttons that were on the computer. And then I'm gonna have the charging port. Not charge, since it's not gonna have a battery. It's just gonna be the power port. Then I'm gonna leave an opening for the exhaust so that some of the heat gets out. I don't think I'm gonna have a problem with heat because it was already in a really tight space. It was in a laptop, so I mean, the laptop was thinner than this. I'm gonna pause the music. Alright. So, let's start putting it together. Hopefully this doesn't mess things up, you know? Know what I'm saying? Is this capacitor gonna get in the way? Hopefully not. Wait, that's hot. That's hot. So what I'm gonna start doing, these empty spots that don't have Legos, I'm gonna put Legos there so that they make contact with this plate that I'm about to put in. It's a little dirty. So yeah, so that it just stays better, or so that it makes contact with this. So that's what I'm gonna start doing, but So far, that's how it looks. Oh, my leg is asleep. Hold on. Whatever. Let's just keep. It's feeling worse. That might not be the power button. That might be the power button. We'll find out. You know what? Screw it. I'm just gonna close it. I think that's everything. Let's see how this is not gonna look as cool because you know I have a bunch of different colored parts, but it's okay. It doesn't always have to look super sicko mode. Like it can just look like normal mode, you know? Let's do the purple, the power. Alright, so this is the entire laptop, minus the speakers, the screen, the battery, touchpad. Okay, maybe not the entire laptop, but everything that I need to make it work. So got it's right there. You got some, I think those are the volume buttons. I think one of them is the power button. Hopefully it is, I don't know. Then you got the headphone jack. You got the SD card reader and a USB port. Then on this side, you got HDMI, Ethernet. I don't know if it'll work because there's a little plastic clip that's supposed to go in there, but I think it got thrown away with the rest of the laptop. You got two USB 3.0 ports, and then there's two buttons right there. Forget which ones those are. I guess we'll find out. Then you got your exhaust for heat. That's where your CPU and GPU fan are. Then you got your power. So I guess next step. Let's see if she boots. I know it's not the prettiest, but hey, it's a Lego laptop. I guess I could put like a cool logo on here, but whatever. Let's see if she boots. Okay, none of those are power. I think this is the power. Oh, yeah. Let's install Windows. So far, she's booting. I'm gonna have to finish up the video another day. It's getting late. I got Windows updates to do. And I just don't feel like staying up any longer. I'm kind of tired. So, not from building it, just it's late. So, I'll plug it in to something else tomorrow when all the updates are through, and we'll test it. We'll make sure the thermals are good. It doesn't feel like it's getting extremely hot at all either, too. So we'll test it. We'll test it tomorrow. So yeah. All right. So this is the Lego build that I was building the other day. It got late on me, so I was installing updates, and it's finally good to go. So we'll boot it up. We'll see how temperatures are. Hopefully it doesn't overheat or catch on fire. It didn't while I was installing updates, so I don't see it doing that. So by all means, this is not a gaming computer. This is just a computer. It's just a laptop. It has an i7-6500U. It'll have a GeForce 940M. So definitely nothing special. Right now, I'm at 33 degrees Celsius. Let's see what happens when we play a game. Okay, so I'm gonna just play an older game, GTA 5. It's not a gaming computer, so that's why I'm not playing like a brand new game. I just want to see if the temperatures get too hot. Yeah, that's why. Let's see. So far my frames aren't too great because, like I said, it's a mobile i7. It's a dual core i7. It's a i7 6500U with a GeForce 940M, which is honestly garbage if you're trying to game. How come my screen recorder is not working? Dude, I don't want to fight. I'm sorry. So far I'm about 73 degrees. Dude, get away. Dude, wait. Dude, they're sending a I have 1 star and they're already sending a helicopter. Ridiculous. That's not very sicko mode of them. Okay, yeah. It doesn't like explosions either. Dude, watch out. Okay, well, that's that. Well, it didn't get past 80. Overall, this computer is actually really fun to build. Probably more fun than many other computers I've built just because it's with Legos. I mean, come on. It works well. I was actually surprised that it wasn't overheating. What am I going to use it for? I don't know. I might just plug it in my TV and just always have it plugged into my TV, just in case I want to use a computer versus the smart TV. I think whenever I saw my dad's computer all broken, I was just like, man, the computer still works pretty well. I mean, it's not like it's a terrible computer either. It had an i7. It had a dedicated graphics card. Not for gaming, like if you're just trying to do office work, it's still a good computer. So I just wanted to see if I could save the parts. I knew it was booting still. And then I wanted to use some of my creativity. Who the flip is calling me? I wanted to use some of my creativity and build a little desktop out of it. And it surprisingly, it's thinner than I was anticipating. I thought it was gonna have to be a couple blocks tall, but it's literally just one. I mean, there's some like thin blocks, but I meant like one of the regular size blocks. It's only one of those tall with the base plates, so a lot thinner than I was anticipating. And I wanted it to be all black, but the little fun pack of Legos didn't come with enough black, so I was like, you know what, I'll just kind of make it rainbow, I guess, because that's what it came with, a bunch of different colors. So still came out okay looking. I mean, I think if I was building, like, using desktop parts, I think I would have put more, I don't want to say effort, but I just would have probably built it a little sturdier just because those parts, I don't know where I was going there, but yeah, really, it didn't actually take long. It only took me a couple hours to put together. It's just, it got late on me because I started late. But yeah, here's the Lego build. It works. She boots.